Hi friends, welcome to Unacademy, India's largest online learning app. We are going to provide you support for IIT, JEE, NEET, UGC, then SSC exams, MPSC, UPSC class 9, 10th, 11th and 12th also. You can ace your final exams with Unacademy Plus subscription. So Unacademy Plus subscription is at flat 10% off discount. So, dear learners, welcome to the class. I am Trupti Deshmukh. I have done my Masters of Computer Engineering. So, I am going to teach you subjects like C, C++, C Sharp, ASP.NET, programming in Python, as well as I am going to teach you the subjects like information technology for class 9, 10th, 11th, 12th, and also computer science for class 9, 10th, 11th, 12th. So, please वीडियो को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें एंड बेल आइकन दबाना ना भूलें. सो स्टूडेंट्स, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड विद द टुडेस लेक्चर. सो हाय फ्रेंड्स, आज के लेक्चर में हम लोग सम ऑफ दिस बेसिक सैम्पल केसेस फॉर इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी वी आर गोइंग टू सॉल्व इट. ठीक है. सो अभी देखिए, अभी पैटर्न कैसे रहेगा वो पहले हम लोग देखते हैं, फिर उसके बाद हम जो है डायरेक्टली क्वेश्चन पेपर को सॉल्व कर लेते हैं. सो देखिए, आपके लिए टाइम जो रहेगा 2 आवर्स का रहेगा. दैट इज योर टाइम विल बी टोटली फॉर द 2 आवर्स एंड मैक्सिमम मार्क्स विल बी फॉर द 50. यस, मैक्सिमम मार्क्स आपको कितने मिलेंगे? 50. दैट इज 50. सो जो जनरल इंस्ट्रक्शंस जो है वो मैं आपको बता देती हूँ. सो फर्स्टली प्लीज रीड द इंस्ट्रक्शंस केयरफुली. So now this question paper consists of the 21 questions in two sections. It will be 21 questions in two sections. So section A and section B. ऐसे दो sections जो है आपके question paper में जो है वो रहेंगे. Okay. So likewise we are going to solve this. ठीक है. Section A has the objective type questions and whereas the section B contains subjective type questions. सेक्शन ए में टोटली ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चन रहेंगे, जैसे कि एमसीक्यूज, मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस विल बी देयर, राइट. एंड सेक्शन बी विल बी द सब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चंस. मतलब यहाँ पर कैसे रहेगा सेक्शन बी में आपके लिए? सब्जेक्टिव टाइप मीन्स आपको डिस्क्रिप्टिव उसके आंसर जो एक्चुअल लिखने हैं. सो बट सेक्शन ए में आपको क्या करने हैं? एमसीक्यूज जो है वो टोटली सॉल्व करने हैं. सो नाउ आउट ऑफ द गिवन 16.5 is equals to, that is what, totally 21 questions. A candidate has to answer 5 plus 10, that is 15 questions. ठीक है. आपको आउट ऑफ द 21 क्वेश्चंस आपको कितने क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने हैं? दैट इज 15 क्वेश्चंस इन अलॉटेड मैक्सिमम टाइम ऑफ 2 आवर्स. ठीक है. आपको आवर्स कितने रहेंगे? देखिए स्टूडेंट्स, आपको जो IT इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी की जो रहेगा दैट विल बी 2 आवर्स मैक्सिमम यू आर गोइंग टू हैव इट. So the all questions of a particular section must be attempted in the corrected order. So the order जो है वो आप लोग क्या कीजिए? properly follow कीजिए. So likewise you are going to solve or you are going to attempt all the questions in the correct orders. So अभी देखिए, the section 1 के बारे में थोड़ा सा मैं और डिटेल में बताऊंगी. सेक्शन 1 में, सेक्शन ए में आपको कैसे रहेगा? ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चंस. ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चंस रहेंगे आपको 24 मार्क्स के लिए. ठीक है. So this question is going to have the 5 questions, that is this section is going to have the 5 questions and mark allotted are mentioned against the each questions or part. So यहाँ पर there will be no any negative marking and जो आपको लोगों को पहले instructions दिए हैं, so do as per the instructions given there. Then the section B will be the subjective type question, that will be for 26 mark. मतलब यहाँ पर क्या आपको write करना है? आपको descriptive questions जो है उसके answers यहाँ पर देने. So this question is going to have totally 16 questions. Totally questions कितने रहेंगे आपके लिए? 16 questions जो है आपके लिए यहाँ पर रहेंगे. Okay. And candidate has to do 10 questions. मतलब out of 16 आपको कितने questions solve करने हैं स्टूडेंट्स? 10 questions जो है आपको solve करने हैं. And you have obviously you are going to have the all the instructions. ये instructions हैं. So please ये instructions जो है follow करें and question paper solve करने की try करें. So do as per the instructions given and marks allotted are mentioned against each question and each part. So let us start with today's question paper. So friends, welcome to today's session. So after solving the section A, we are going to solve the section B of previous sample paper, the subjective type questions. So subjective type questions में आपको क्या है? You have to answer any 3 out of the given 5 questions based on employability skill and answer each question in 20 to 30 words. So question के लिए marks देखिए तो each question will carry 2 marks, that is 2 into 3, there will be total 6 marks for this question. So we will start with the question number 6, that is what do you mean by a verbal communication. Verbal communication क्या होता है? देखिए communication skills में हम लोगों ने ये चीज पहले ही पढ़ चुके हैं, what is mean by the verbal communication. So the answer will be like that: the communication which is through spoken, oral and written words is known as verbal communication. ओके, सो द वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन में क्या आते हैं? स्पोकन, ओरल्स एंड रिटन वर्ड्स जो है ये सारी चीजें वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन में इंक्लूडेड होती हैं. सो यहाँ पर हम लोग क्या कह सकते हैं? द वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन मीन्स व्हाट? इट इज द एबिलिटी टू कम्युनिकेट यूजिंग वर्ड्स in understandable language. So what we can say, the ability to communicate using the words is also known as verbal communication. ठीक है, अभी देखिए यहाँ पर the ability to communicate using the words is known as the verbal communication here. So for example हम लोग क्या कह सकते हैं? वर्ड्स जो है that words must be using very understandable language. Likewise the understandable language can be used for verbal communication, can be used like, suppose we are using English, then Hindi, French, Japanese and so on. ठीक है, आप लोग ऐसे आंसर्स लिख सकते हो. दैट इज द व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय द वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन. सो यहाँ पर देखिए लैंग्वेज जो इट इज प्लेइंग द वाइटल रोल इन वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन. इन वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन the language plays a vital role, that is important role here. So how much verbal communication is effective, that is totally depend upon the speaker, then volume, then speed, then body language, then clarity of speech and the quality of words that are used in conversation. ठीक है, so likewise you can write the answers. देखिए फ्रेंड्स, मैंने शुरुआत में आपको बता दिया था कि ये जो आंसर्स है जरूर नहीं कि आप यही आंसर्स एज इट इज लिखें. सो आई एम जस्ट गिविंग यू वन एग्जांपल, सम एग्जांपल्स, दैट इज हाउ टू राइट द आंसर्स टू द पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चंस. सो ऐसे आप लोग आंसर्स लिख सकते हैं. यू कैन रिफर दिस एंड इफ यू आर हैविंग अदर नोट्स यू कैन रिफर दैट आल्सो. Okay, I hope you got this point. That is what do you mean by the verbal communication. So we will move towards the next point. That is explaining the term fatigue related stress. That is fatigue related stress. So the question is what, देखिए explain the term that is fatigue related stress. So fatigue means what? Fatigue क्या होता है? देखिए, the generally if you are working for a very long time, then some type of stress or pressure is going to have on your brain. That is nothing but the fatigue related stress. The stress that builds up over a long time by working too hard, or what we can say, or too long for job, home, or school is known as fatigue related stress. So sometimes it may be cases where by having too much exercise, by having too much pressure or physical exercise, the fatigue related stress occurs. Okay. सो व्हाट वी कैन से, जनरली आप लोग बहुत प्रेशर ले रहे हो, वर्क का हो या फिर होम का हो या फिर स्कूल का, कोई पर्सनल चीज़ों का, दैट इज नथिंग बट द फटीग रिलेटेड स्ट्रेस हियर. So likewise, if you do not know how to manage your time well, or then how to take a time for the rest and for the relaxation time, so obviously you are going to become the victim of the fatigue related stress. So what we can say that many people think that this is one of the hardest kind of stresses. So to avoid this kind of stresses, many people feel that it is out of their control. So what we can say, if a person is unknown about managing his or her time well, or not able to take the rest and find the time for relaxation, then it is possible that a person can become victim of fatigue related stress. So generally it can be one of the hardest kinds of stresses to avoid, as lots of people think it is out of their control. So it is good that if you are able to avoid the fatigue related stress. So if the question is asked twice, that is explain the term fatigue related stress, you can give some of the examples also. The stress that builds up over a long term by working too hard or too long for job, home or school is known as the fatigue related stress. By having pressure और फिजिकल एक्सरसाइज द फटिगेटेड स्ट्रेस ऑकर्स. ठीक है, सो इसको जितना आप लोग अवॉइड कर सकते हो उतना ही अच्छा रहेगा. सो द नेक्स्ट वन इज दैट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. व्हाट इज करेक्ट फीचर इन डॉक्यूमेंट? That is auto correct feature in document and how to use it. So it's very easy. Whenever I am typing, you can see the option that is autocorrect is there option, you can see. So autocorrect is what? It is the atomic data validation function is known as autocorrect. Okay, and it is generally found in word processors and टेक्स्ट। देखिए यहाँ पर अभी ऑटो करेक्शन आ गया, टेक्स्ट एडिटिंग इंटरफेसेस। अभी यहाँ पर देखिए एटोमिक के यहाँ पर क्या दिख रहा है, वो एटोमिक। यहाँ पर जो है वो स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक जो आपके करेक्ट कर रहा है, दैट इज व्हाट ऑटो करेक्ट ऑप्शन। So by having the example in front of your screen, I don't think so there is so much need to explain it. So this is very useful text। देखिए यहाँ पर फिर से ऑटो करेक्ट आ गया। This is very यूजफुल। देखिए स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक आ गई तो उसने करेक्ट कर दिया। यूजफुल टूल इन वर्ड फॉर अप्लाइंग स्पेसिफिक फॉर्मेटिंग और spelling, and yes, obviously it is going to use for the certain phases that occur in your text also. The most benefit of this of autocorrect feature is it quickly fixes the spelling mistakes, then words and punctuation marks। ओके, अभी देखिए यहाँ पर भी आपको क्या दिखता है, पंक्चुएशन मार्क्स तो इसने करेक्ट कर दिया। देखिए मैं यहाँ पर स्पेस लिखती हूँ, यहाँ पर देखिए उसने डबल अंडरलाइन कर दी ब्लू लाइन में, सो उसने पंक्चुएशन मार्क करेक्ट कर दिया। सो अभी हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं, द स्टेप्स टू यूज ऑटो करेक्ट ऑप्शंस, द स्टेप्स टू यूज ऑटो करेक्ट ऑप्शन और फीचर are, first one, so I will insert the bullet here. Click on the review tab first, and you can go to the directly proofing group। अगर आपको मैन्युअली करना है तो then search for the spelling and grammar options, when a possible spelling error occurs or encounter, the spell check dialog opens and word processor offers some suggested corrections। So lastly, you can choose any one of the suggested word and click on autocorrect option or button. So these are the few steps using which autocorrect feature can be used in the documents. So you can write the answer like that. What is autocorrect feature in document and how to use it. Firstly, write the definition of what is autocorrect feature, and then you can use the steps to use autocorrect option in your document. So we will move towards the next question. What are the disadvantage of entrepreneurship? एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप के डिसएडवांटेजेस क्या क्या होते हैं वो हमको देखना है. देखिए, एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप जो एक कंसेप्ट है आपको पता है कि उसमें इंडिविजुअल का रिस्क बहुत होता है. देन उसके लिए टाइम बहुत लगता है, उसके लिए हार्डवर्क बहुत लगता है. देन इनकम जो है वी कैन नॉट स्पेसिफाई, इनकम विल बी अनसर्टन. So likewise, the disadvantage of there of the entrepreneurship. So just we will try to note it down one by one. So some of the disadvantages of entrepreneurship are as follows. So I will insert different bullets there. Entrepreneurship requires huge amount of time. That is what we can say dedicated time to start your own business. To start your own business. It is not easy to be successful. So you have to take the time as per the need. The next, what we can see, the risk. The entrepreneurship involves a high risk and high amount of loss. So entrepreneurship involves high risk and high amount of loss. So by chance, if the business fails, then it will wipe away all the personal fundings. ठीक है. जनरली यहाँ पर देखिए क्या होता है. जनरली यहाँ पर क्या होता है, अगर आप लोग खुद का बिजनेस स्टार्ट कर दो, वहां पर अमाउंट भी बहुत हाई रिस्क विल बी देयर एंड हाई अमाउंट ऑफ लॉस विल बी देयर. सो इफ बाय चांस तो आपका बिजनेस फेल होता है तो आपका जो पूरा पर्सनल सेविंग्स जो होता है, पर्सनल फंडिंग जो होता है, वो पूरा का पूरा वैनिश हो सकता है. In entrepreneurship, requires, or entrepreneur, what we can say, has to work very hard to make his or her business very successful. Okay. And lastly, entrepreneurs cannot have, what we can say, entrepreneurs cannot have the fixed income. That is, there is no regular income. Means what? Your income is uncertain. So this kind of uncertain income is the disadvantage of the entrepreneur. Okay, so these are some of the disadvantages of the entrepreneurship. You can write it down as per your understanding and as per your need. Okay, so let us move towards the next question, that is, describes any two problems that are related to the sustainable development. Sustainable development के related दो problems आपको specify करनी है. So we can specify these as like follows. So the problems which are related to the sustainable development are as below. So first one is what we can say, पुअर मैनेजमेंट. पुअर मैनेजमेंट एक जो है वो सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट के लिए प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है. सो पुअर मैनेजमेंट, व्हाट वी कैन से, द पुअर मैनेजमेंट of natural resources combined with the growing economic activities will cause a serious problem to the environment. देखिए, अब लोग अगर नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज ठीक से मैनेज नहीं कर सकते विद ग्रोइंग इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज, सो ये बहुत ही सीरियस प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है अपने एनवायरनमेंट के लिए, अपने नेचर के लिए. सो द पुअर मैनेजमेंट will be the problems related to the sustainable development. Then next one is the some of the resources. The resources like air and water can have the significant environmental problems. So the air and water is having the finite capacity to assimilate emissions and waste, but if the pollution exceeds this capacity of ecosystem is going to deteriorate rapidly. If the pollution exceeds the capacity to assimilate emissions and wastes, then ecosystem can deteriorate rapidly. ठीक है, ये दो जो है वो that can be major two problems related to the sustainable development. So we will move towards the next question, that is answer any 4 questions out of the given 6 questions in 20 to 30 words each. So each question is going to carry 2 marks and there will be total 4 questions for 2 marks, that is total will be 8 marks questions. So first one is to insert write the steps to insert the text in this question number 11. So to insert the text wrapping, follow the given steps. So first one is the click where you want to do the text wrapping. Then next one, what we can do on click on page layout tab. Then go to page setup group. Then what you can see, you will be able to see a drop down menu that will appear there. उसके बाद हम लोग क्या करेंगे, लास्टली select text wrapping from page breaks section. So likewise we can do the text wrapping there. So these are some of the steps, that is write the steps to insert the text wrapping. बहुत easy steps है, आप लोग directly उसको लिख सकते हैं by using the step by step. Okay, then we will move towards the what do we mean by the question number 12, that is what do you mean by the conditional formatting in Excel. Conditional formatting जो होती है Excel में वो actually क्या होती है? So I hope some of you students have used conditional formatting. If not, then no problem at all. Just try to find out the proper answer by handling the MS Excel practicals. Practical sessions आप लोगों ने किए होंगे तो ये क्वेश्चन आपको बहुत ही easily आंसर इसका दे सकेंगे. So देखिए, so conditional formatting क्या है? Actually it is one of the features. अभी हम लोग देखेंगे the conditional formatting is a feature which is available in Excel and different spreadsheet programs that gives you facility to change the appearance, that is font, then color, then border, shading, etc of a cell. So यहाँ पर ये क्या करता है, the formatting will be done on certain conditions. The formatting will be done based on certain conditions. So when a conditional formatting is applied on a cell, it means the formatting of a cell is based on a condition. So by having this conditional formatting, you can apply a certain condition which can be carried out or which can be applied on a different text, like you can change the border, font, then color and shading of the particular area. So generally ये सारे के सारे जो स्प्रेडशीट्स होते हैं, जैसे कि MS Excel हो या फिर OpenOffice.org हो, वहाँ पर ये सारे अवेलेबल होते हैं. So you can write the answer if you the question has been asked, what do you mean by the conditional formatting in Excel? ठीक है. So next question is, that is question number 13 is, I will just copy paste here, that sequence will be given here. So the question number 13 is, describe the term वायरलेस फिडिलिटी. वायरलेस फिडिलिटी जो है वो क्या होती है? देखिए, वायरलेस फिडिलिटी जनरली कौन से टर्म में आती है? वाईफाई में आती है. वाईफाई इज नथिंग बट द शॉर्ट फॉर्म फॉर द वायरलेस फिडिलिटी. सो ये क्या है? आप सब वायरलेस फिडिलिटी आप लोग यूज करते हो, दैट इज वाईफाई जो है आप लोग यूज करते हो. So it is what? It is a universal wireless networking technology, and it uses radio frequencies to transfer the data. रेडियो सिग्नल्स जो है जनरली डेटा ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन के लिए यूज करते हैं. सो वाईफाई जो है वो क्या करता है? इट अलाउज यू टू हैव द हाई स्पीड इंटरनेट टेक्नोलॉजी कनेक्शंस एंड विदाउट यूजेस ऑफ केबल्स और वायर्स. जैसे कि आप लोग क्या कर सकते हो? आपका मोबाइल का जो डेटा है आपके लैपटॉप को कनेक्ट कर सकते हो, आपको पीसी पे कनेक्ट कर सकते हो विदाउट यूजिंग द वायर्ड कनेक्शंस. सो आजकल बहुत सारे जगहों पर, दैट इज रेलवे स्टेशन होते हैं, एयरपोर्ट्स होते हैं, अगर आप किसी होटल में निकल जाते हो वहां पर वाईफाई कनेक्शन अवेलेबल होते हैं. ये कोई नई बात नहीं है आपके लिए. ओके. सो लेट अस डिस्कस अबाउट द टर्म व्हाट इज इट मीन बाय द वायरलेस फिडिलिटी, दैट इज वाईफाई. सो wireless fidelity, that is Wi-Fi, is a universal wireless networking technology which utilizes radio frequencies to transfer the data. It allows you high speed internet connections without the use of cables and wires. So for accessing the private networks like home or business networks, Wi-Fi's can be used. Also, Wi-Fi can be used for public internet also, at hotspots. So hotspot जो होता है वो क्या होता है? जनरली वाईफाई के लिए हम लोग यूज कर सकते हैं. दैट ऑफर्स Wi-Fi access such as hotels, then coffee shops, then what we can say, airports and railway stations, then city parks and so on. ठीक है, आप लोगों को पता है आजकल के सारे बच्चों को वाईफाई फैसिलिटी जो है वो क्या होती है सबको पता है, सब यूज करते हैं. सो उसके लिए आप लोग इतना शॉर्ट आंसर लिखे हो तो भी सफिशिएंट. सो डिफाइन द टाइप वायरलेस फिडिलिटी मींस वाईफाई की आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन लिखा. Then how to remove, the question number 14 is, that is how to remove header or footer from the document. So we will see steps to remove header or footer from the document are as follows. So the first step is click on insert tab जो है आपको यहाँ पर दिख सकता है. Then select header or footer option from the header and footer group. Then we are directly going to click on remove footer or remove header option. ठीक है, ये हो गया. उसके बाद हम लोग क्या करेंगे, सीधा आपका क्या होता है. नाउ यू कैन इजीली सी नाउ योर header or footer from the document is totally removed. So likewise you can remove the header or footer from your particular document. So the next question which we are going to study, that is how to apply a custom view in a workbook. वर्कबुक में कस्टम व्यू जो है वो कैसे अप्लाई करना है हम लोगों को, तो वे देखते हैं. टू अप्लाई अ कस्टम व्यू फॉलो द स्टेप्स गिवन. सो हम लोगों को क्या करना है उसके लिए, क्लिक ऑन द व्यू टैब, which is available in the workbook views group. The next option we are going to do is, that is select the custom views. After that, the custom views dialog box will appear in the views box. And lastly, what you can do, select the name of the view that you want to apply, and lastly click on the show button. Okay, by using all these steps you can apply a custom view in your workbook. ठीक है, स्टेप जो आपको कैसे फॉलो करने हैं, फर्स्टली व्हाट यू आर गोइंग टू डू, क्लिक ऑन द व्यू टैब which is available in the workbook views group. Then you can select the custom views. Then after that, the custom views dialog box will appear in the views box, and obviously you can select the name of the view that you want to apply, and lastly click on the show button. So these are some of the steps to follow when you are going to apply a custom view in your workbook. So student, आज के लिए इतना ही कॉपी है. रिमेनिंग क्वेश्चन पेपर we will solve in the next section. So I hope you understood all these things, that is how to write the answers to the particular questions. Just try to write down point to point answers to the questions, so that you will get the, obviously you are going to have the out of marks for that. Okay, so we will meet in the next session with the new topic. The next question, the previous question papers answer which we are going to solve, that is question number 14 is there. So next आने वाले यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन नंबर 15 भी हम लोगों ने सॉल्व किया है. अभी हम लोग नेक्स्ट इन द नेक्स्ट सेशन वी आर गोइंग टू सॉल्व फ्रॉम द क्वेश्चन नंबर 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 and 20. So Till then, bye. So friends, at the end of the session, let me tell you about the offers for both Iconic and Plus subscribers. जी हाँ, हमारी जो ऑफर है Iconic और Plus सब्सक्राइबर के लिए, it is going to end on 31st July 2021 Saturday. So देर किस बात के, let me tell you about the mega offers, exciting mega offers for CBSE classes from class 6 to class 10. देखिए ऑफर जो है ऐसी है, सपोज आपके पास सीबीएसई का सब्सक्रिप्शन है फॉर लाइक 12, 15 एंड 18 months, देन यू आर गोइंग टू गेट द फ्री सीबीएसई सब्सक्रिप्शन फॉर 2 months. यस, टोटली. अगर आपके पास सीबीएसई का सब्सक्रिप्शन है दैट इज फॉर 24, 36 एंड 48 months, देन यू आर गोइंग टू गेट द फ्री सीबीएसई सब्सक्रिप्शन फॉर 4 months. And if you are going to have the 60, 72 and 84 months CBSE subscription, then you are going to get the totally 6 months free CBSE subscription. So there की बात की है students, just please enroll for that. And yes, obviously, if you are having the Creative Corner subscription for the 12, 15 and 18 months, so आपको 2 months का subscription जो है वो totally free मिलेगा. And if you are having the subscription for the 24, 36 and 48 months for Creative Corner subscription, then you are going to get the totally 4 months free subscription. So likewise, if you are having the subscription for 60, 72 and 84 months for Creative Corner subscription, then you are going to get totally 6 months, obviously, totally free subscription for Creative Corner subscriptions. So student, if you are excited for the दिस मेगा ऑफर, सो जल्दी से जल्दी जो है आपका आइकॉनिक और प्लस सब्सक्रिप्शन जो है वो एनरोल कीजिए. यस, ऑफर इज गोइंग टू एंड ऑन 31st July 2021. सो प्लीज नोट डाउन द डेट एंड subscribe to our Unacademy Iconic as well as the plus subscription. So as including that, you are going to get the flat 10% discount on purchasing plus subscription for all duration. अगर आप लोग कोई भी plus subscription लोगे तो उसके लिए आपको 10% डिस्काउंट मिलेगा फॉर ऑल ड्यूरेशंस. So friends, let me tell you about the CBSE latest guidelines, and these guidelines are live on Unacademy. Yes, so our new batches are going to start from the 19th July for CBSE classes 9 and class 10. So देखिए बैच जो है, this will be totally dedicated to the term 1, and yes, obviously your term 1 is going to end in the 3 months. So term 1 is very much near, and yes, our new CBSE guidelines are totally followed while we are designing our courses. So our courses are completely aligned with the new CBSE guidelines. Yes, obviously, and all subjects are included in this CBSE latest syllabus also. Yes, obviously, the term is going to have the same, that is we are going to have Hindi as well as English language as the mode of delivery. So हमारी जो language रहेगी वो हिंदी भी रहेगी और English भी रहेगी. So you can have as per your convenience and as per your requirements. So there किस बात की students, so just try to enroll for these things so that you will have the more benefits for the Unacademy plus as well as Iconic subscriptions. So let me tell you about the mega launch Mondays. Yes, अभी हर महीने की तरह इसमें आने वाले महीने, that is for the August month is also we are having the mega launch Mondays. So we are going to have the new batches for doubt clearing and NCERT exercises. And yes, obviously it is going to start from the 2nd August 2020. जी हाँ, 2 अगस्त 2021 को जो है हमारी न्यू बैचेस स्टार्ट होने वाली है फॉर डाउट क्लियरिंग एंड NCERT एक्सरसाइजेस. सो ये क्लासेस जो रहेंगे CBSE क्लास 10 के लिए रहेंगे. फॉर टर्म 1 वी आर गोइंग टू फोकस ऑन द बैचेस लाइक मैथ्स, साइंस, इंग्लिश, हिंदी एंड SST. सो यहाँ पर भी हम आपको क्या रहेगा, डेडिकेटेड टीचर्स रहेंगे एंड वी आर गोइंग टू हैव ऑल द सब्जेक्ट्स इंक्लूडेड एंड द डेट इज गोइंग टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द 2nd August 2020. So note down this date and enroll for the mega launch Mondays. And obviously we are going to have the Unacademy batches. हमारे जो batches है, our new batches are going to start on every Monday. So there are some challenges batches also They are going to start on the 2nd August 2021. So in the previous slide, I have told you about the class 10. So let me tell you about the class 9 also. So देखिए क्लास 9 के challenges basis रहेंगे. The subjects which are going to be included are like the maths is there, science is there, English is there, Hindi is there, and SST, that is social sciences, are also included in our new unacademy batches. So हमारे batches जो the new batches are going to start on the every Monday, and we are going to have the expert teachers regarding that particular subjects also. So for class 9th and class 10th, we are going to have the new batches for on every Monday and mega launch. That's why it is called mega launch Mondays. So students, let me tell you about the Unacademy Plus as well as Iconic subscription. देखिए आपको दो टाइप के सब्सक्रिप्शन मिलेंगे. Let me tell you firstly about the plus subscription. Plus subscription क्या है देखिए. The plus subscription is basic plan to get started. Yes. So plus subscription में अगर आप लोग जाएंगे तो आपको क्या बोलेगा, इन एज बेस्ट एजुकेटर्स विल बी इंक्लूडेड देयर. देन वी आर गोइंग टू हैव द इंटरैक्टिव लाइव क्लासेस. आपकी क्लासेस जो इंटरैक्टिव लाइव रहेंगी. उसके बाद वी आर गोइंग टू हैव द लाइव टेस्ट्स एंड लाइव क्विजेस आल्सो, जैसे कि प्रीवियस लेक्चर्स में भी हम लोगों ने लिए थे. एंड यस, आवर कोर्स विल बी टोटल स्ट्रक्चर्ड कोर्सेस एंड पीडीएफ. सो notes regarding that particular subject will be also provided for the students. So these are all the benefits of the plus subscription. So likewise we are going to have the iconic subscription. देखिए iconic subscription में क्या कर सकते हैं, you are going to take your CBSE preparation to the next level with personal mentor. जी हाँ, यहाँ पर आपके लिए एक personal mentor रहेगा. So iconic subscription में भी क्या रहेंगी, plus subscription की सारी चीजें रहेंगी, जैसे India's best educator, then interactive live classes, then live tests and quizzes, then structured courses and PDFs will be there. So iconic में एक एडवांटेज क्या रहेगा, यू आर गोइंग टू हैव द पर्सनल मेंटर. यस, आपके लिए खुद का एक पर्सनल मेंटर रहेगा. देन यू आर गोइंग टू हैव द लाइव डाउट सॉल्यूशंस. आपके डाउट्स जो है उसके लिए लाइव सॉल्यूशंस आप लोगों को मिलेंगे. देन नेक्स्ट यू आर गोइंग टू हैव द पेरेंट कनेक्ट. यस, ऑब्वियसली द स्टूडेंट्स पेरेंट कनेक्शन एंड पेरेंट टीचर कनेक्शन विल बी देयर, so that the parent will have the more idea about your progress. And obviously you are going to get the study planner also. यहाँ पर आपको आपके लिए खुद का एक स्टडी प्लानर जो है वो मिल जाएगा. सो ये सारे जो क्या है प्लस एंड आइकॉनिक सब्सक्रिप्शंस के बेनिफिट्स है. सो इसके साथ साथ मैं आपको बताना चाहूँगी, if you are going to have the class 9, 10th, 11th, 12th subscription, and if you are going to have 10th, class 10th, class 11th and 12th subscription, दोनों में डिफरेंस क्या रहेगा और बेनिफिट क्या है. देखिए पहले लेट मी टेल अबाउट द क्लास 9, 10th, 11th and 12th सब्सक्रिप्शन फॉर प्लस. ठीक है, अभी प्लस के लिए आपको देखिए सब्सक्रिप्शन कैसे रहेंगे. फॉर 3 months यू आर गोइंग टू हैव the 2,500 per month, that is totally 7,500 for 3 months. Then for 6 months you are going to have the 10,000 for total 6 months, that is 1,667 for per month. And yes, obviously you are going to get the 33% off, that is 30% discount also. Now if you are going for the 12-month subscription, you are going to get the 50% off, and you are going to have 1,250 per month obviously, and you are going to have the total package of 15,000. जी हाँ, 15,000 का जो है पूरा पैकेज रहेगा. वैसे if you are going for the 15-month subscription, you are going to get totally 1,200 for per month with 18,000 for total 15 months on 52% off discount. If you are going for the 18 months, you are going to get the 56% off with 1,111 rupees per month and 20,000 rupees for totally 18 months. So likewise, if you are going for the 24 months, then you are going to have the 1,042 for per month, and you are going to have the 25,000 for totally 24 months. Now if you are going for the 36 months, you are going to get the 64% off on 889 per month and 32,000 for totally 36 months. Now if you are going for the 48 months, then you are going to have the 833 per month and 40,000 फॉर टोटली 48 मंथ्स। सो जितना आप लोग ज़्यादा सब्सक्रिप्शन लोगे उतना आपको क्या मिलेगा, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा डिस्काउंट जो है वो मिलेगा। सो अगर आप लोगों को आइकॉनिक सब्सक्रिप्शन लेना है, क्लास 9, 10th, 11th एंड 12th के लिए क्लास आइकॉनिक सब्सक्रिप्शन लेना है, तो आपके लिए पैकेजेस कैसे रहेगी? देखिए, पहले की तरह 3 मंथ्स रहेगा, 4,000 per month and 12,000 for totally 3 months. Now, if you are going for 6 months, you are going to get the 29% off and 17,000 for 6 months and 2,833 for per month. Likewise, if you are going for the 12 months, you are going to get the 42% off discount and you are going to have the 2,333 for per month and 28,000 for totally 12 months. Now, if you are going for the 15 months, then you are going to get the totally 47% discount. And yes, obviously you are going to have the 2,133 per month with the 32,000 for 15 months totally. Now, if you are going for the 18 months, you will get the totally 1,944 for per month with 51% discount and 35,000 for totally 18 months. So if you go for the 24 months, you will get the 48,000 total whole package with the 2,000 per month on 50% discount. Then if you are going for the 36 months, then you will have the package of 66,000 with 1,833 per month. And if you are lastly going for the 48 months, then you are going to have the total package of the 83,000 with 1,729 per month. That is totally 57%. So based on your choices, you can take your subscriptions also. So जितना आप ज़्यादा सब्सक्रिप्शन लोगे उतने आपको डिस्काउंट जो है वो ज़्यादा मिलता जाएगा. So the next one, let me tell you about the class 10th, 11th and 12th subscription for both the plus as well as the iconic. देखिए, आइकनिक आपको लोगों को पता चला होगा वो जो कि है प्लस का थोड़ा सा एडवांस्ड है. सो आइकनिक के लिए और प्लस के लिए हमारे पास 3, 6, 12, 15, 18, 24 एंड 36 मंथ्स के सब्सक्रिप्शन है. सो लाइकवाइज जो है आइकनिक के भी रहेंगे 3, 6, 12, 15, 18, 24 एंड 36 months. Now, if you are going for the 3-month subscription for plus, you are going to have the 7,500 for whole 3 months with 2,500 for per month. If you are going for 6 months, then you are going to have the 10,000 for total package and 1,667 per month with 31% off. If you are going for 12 months, you are going to have the 15,000 package and 1,215 per month with 50% off. If you are going for 15 months, you are going to get the 18,000 for the whole package and you are going to have the 1,200 per month with 52% off. If you are going for the 18 months, you are going to have the 20,000 package for the 18 months with 1,111 for per month. If you are going for 24 months, you will get the 25,000 package for all months and 1,042 package for the per month. If you are going for 36 months, you are going to have the package for 32,000 with the 889 per month. So आपको डिस्काउंट जो है वो 64% ऑफ मिलेगा. So likewise for Iconic, if you are going for 3 months, you will get the 12,000 as well as you are going to get the 4,000 for per month. If you are going for 6 months for Iconic, you will get the 17,000 package with 2,830. If you are going for 12 months, then you are going to have the 28,000 for the whole package with 2,333 per month. If you are going for 15 months, you will get 32,000 for whole the package and you will get the 2,133 package per month with 47% off. If you go for 18 months, you will get the 35,000 whole package and 1,944 per month. Now, if you go for 24 months, you will have the 48,000 for whole package with 2,000 per month. And if you are going for 36 months, you will get the 66,000 for whole the package and 1,833 for per month with 54% ऑफ. जितना आप ज़्यादा लोगे उतना आपको क्या मिलेगा, सब्सक्रिप्शन जो है एडवांटेज जो है ज़्यादा मिलेगा. सो बेस्ड ऑन योर चॉइस यू कैन हैव द सब्सक्रिप्शंस. So let me tell you about the upcoming Unacademy Combat. So you can win the scholarships worth the most challenging battle to level up preparation and practice for class 9th and class 10th, and obviously it is the पढ़ाई के साथ साथ आपको क्या मिलेगा, अच्छे प्राइस मिलेंगे, प्राइस वर्थ रुपीज अप टू दी 1 करोड़। ऑब्वियसली इससे भी पहले एक दो ऑलरेडी कम बैक हम लोगों ने ले चुके हैं हम बैक, एंड दैट इज वेरी वेरी सक्सेसफुल। So इसका पैटर्न कैसे लगा दे, look, you will be having the 30 questions for the 45 minutes. The test will be in the both, that is Hindi as well as English language. आपकी जो टेस्ट है, आप लोग फ्री लाइव टेस्ट ऑन एंड्रॉइड, आपके पास एंड्रॉइड ऐप भी होगा, आपके पास एंड्रॉइड मोबाइल भी होगा तो भी चलेगा, अगर आपके पास एप्पल है वो भी चलेगा, देन इफ यू आर हैविंग योर ओन लैपटॉप देन नो प्रॉब्लम। सो ये कॉम्बैक जो है इट विल बी ऑन दी 1 August, and you can enroll in the description given below the our videos. And yes, obviously it will be for the classes class 9th and class 10 at 11 AM। डेट लिख लीजिए 1 August 2021। So you are going to have the plus 10% off on Unacademy Plus and Unacademy subscription. So you can use my code, that is DDLive, for the 10% off. And yes, obviously download the Unacademy app now and try all these features for free. And you can use my code, that is DDLive, and get it on the Google Play as well as you can download from the Apple Store. So that's all for today's lecture. Bye. Unacademy, let's go.